Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power at the breaker and confirming dead with a non-contact tester. Safety is not optional. Once done, remove the cover plate and device, then gently pull the wires out to expose connections so you can see grounding, neutrals, and hots. Make a quick photo or label each conductor. This prevents mistaken reconnections. Next, loosen mounting screws or cut any old nails holding the metal box. You'll now be ready to free the old box from the wall or stud. You remove the old metal box by cutting mounting nails or unscrewing from the stud, taking care not to damage surrounding drywall. Once the box is out, clean and square the opening so the replacement fits flush. You want about 1/4 inch clearance for the drywall to box interface. Prepare each cable by trimming and stripping about 3/4 of an inch of insulation, leaving roughly 6 inches of conductor inside the new box for future splicing. Make sure grounds are long enough to attach to the box or device. You mount the new box, either screw it to the stud or engage remodel wings so the box face sits flush with the finished wall surface. Once secured, make connections. Attach grounds to the box and pigtail to the device, join neutrals with a properly sized connector, and connect hots to the correct terminals. Torque screws to secure the conductor. After fitting the device and cover, restore power and test. If the circuit trips or device fails, shut power off and recheck ground continuity and wire terminations for tightness and correct pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.